You did it! What is that?
An angel.
Whose angel is that?
Me.
Yeah.
Angel. My snow angel.
That is your snow angel. You're already, oh, careful, are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, I'll get you up there. You're already all wet, doesn't matter.
I didn't go up there.
You can.
Yes.
Hi.
Wish I was young enough to enjoy it.
Yeah. You want me to help?
Can I go down that once? Can I try?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Are your legs over?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay. Probably should have shut off the video.
Go.
Okay, here you go.
Here I come.
You okay? I think that's still too slippery, Bubba. Honey, your shoes are all wet and slippery.